Why do you use your phone?
I use my phone to call my friends and family.
Why do you like watching TV?
I like watching TV because it helps me to relax.
Why do you like to travel?
I like to travel to see different towns and villages.
Why do you live in England?
Because I was born here and my family lives here.
Why do you drink a lot of tea?
I drink a lot of tea because it gives me energy and then it relaxes me too.
Why do you eat healthily?
I eat healthily because it's good for my body. I love eating fruit and vegetables and healthy foods.
Why do you like shopping?
I don't like shopping. Everything is very expensive.
Why don't you like the rain?
I don't like the rain because I can't go for a walk or do outside activities.
Why do you practice sport?
I practice sport to be healthy and active.
Why do you like football?
I like watching football, but I don't like playing football.
Why don't you travel more?
I don't often travel because it's very expensive and I don't like travelling by plane.
Why don't you move to another country?
Because I like living in England and my friends and family are here.
If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.